What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Okay, let's get to business. How do I keep my wheels clean? So I'm gonna show you what I use. I know there's a lot professional stuff, the chemicals and things like that, but I'm gonna use just the household stuff, the stuff that you can get out of your garage or from the kitchen or whatever, the sprays, and I'll show you how do I do. And now it's like around a month, maybe 2 months since I got the stickers on my tires, so we're gonna do also the review about the tire stickers and see if they are worth it or not. You decide. Okay, so what you're gonna need, I mean, you don't really have to have all of it, but I have a rag, I have Windex. I use Windex for everything. Okay, we have the dish detergent and these two brushes. I have a big brush and a small brush. I think I ordered this somewhere online, and I use it to clean my engine bay, wheels, and stuff like that. It's pretty good. Well, mine are kind of always clean from outside. I do clean them from the inside. They're kind of dirty right now, not much, but if you want, you can take the wheel off and clean them from the inside really good. But if you want to keep your wheels clean every weekend, I'm not gonna take all my wheels off every weekend and clean them, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna do it from the outside. done. The wheels are shiny. I couldn't go all the way in with the big brush. I tried with the small one because the calipers are like really big, but it looks really nice. So let's check the stickers. The one that we did a couple months ago, and I'm not sure. This one are actually holding pretty nice. They're holding. Let's say this one's on the bottom. This one is peeling off. They're cracked in the middle. Okay, let's go to the one on the back. This one right here is pretty good, but this one, for example, these 4 letters, they were like peeling off to the half, so I had to apply the glue again on them, so they were like 50-50. Okay, let's check this one right here. This one is holding up perfectly. There are no cracks, the letters are not peeling off. And finally, the last one, I think this one is the kind of the worst. This one was peeling off too, like a couple of letters. And like, for example, this one, I don't know if you can see on the camera, they're all like cracking. So I don't know, what do you guys think? So now all you have to do is just wash and clean all 4 wheels, right? And what I do, I clean them every weekend. Every time I wash my car, I wash the wheels too. So what you can also do, you can buy the tire shine or some oil and just apply on the tire. I can't do it because when I bought the stickers, they said don't put any shiners or whatever on the tires, because you can get like spots on the tire stickers. So I don't do it, but it will look nice. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and come on, click the button, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, thanks, bye.